Hello everyone, this is a video on the Singer Heavy Duty 6800C. We're going to be talking about needles today. So all the needles have two different sides. There's a round side and a flat side. The flat side goes away from you. Always put something underneath in case the needle falls. It won't go into your machine. Just goes up until it won't go up any further, and then you just rotate the set screw. When you're removing the needle, if it's tight, you can just put your little L screwdriver in there and help it along. So this is the pack of the needles that came with it. They are 90-40-14. 4 of them come with the machine, one that's already installed, and then a pack of 3. So a very good idea is to print out the manual. The manual on page 15 has a guide for your needles. Recommended every 6 to 8 hours of sewing, you replace the needle. There is a guide on page 15 that tells you what needle for which fabric and what thread. So it goes from 70-80 to 90-11 for lightweight fabrics, fine cotton, silks, muslin, things like that, which is a lighter duty fabric, so you don't need a big needle, and a light duty thread would work. 80 to 90, 11, 14 is medium weight fabrics using a heavier thread, and then the 90-14 that comes with the machine is for medium to heavyweight fabrics, also using a heavier duty thread. And then we go up 116 is heavy weight fabrics, canvas, wool, denim, home decor, fleece, heavy knit. And then the largest that this machine will take is 110-18 heavyweight fabrics, coat weight, wool, upholstery, and leather. There's leather needles that are the 118, and that will do light duty leather. I have not tested out to see how thick of leather it will do. The machine comes with a walking foot that will ease with doing leather, and there's also ballpoint needles for doing knits and things like that. So what comes with the machine is the 90-14, and this is the process of me learning. So we will, now that we have the thread in, we will thread it with the automatic threader. So it goes under the hook, and then between those two barbs. Once you get practice, it's a lot easier. So it goes under there between the notches there. And then just let it go, and it's supposed to thread the needle. Now at the back, there's this little loop that comes out, and then you just pull that loop, stick it underneath, and that's all there is to it. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your comments. Thank you, and enjoy, everyone.